The business of Evergreen Aviation, or EGAT, is mainly airplane repair and aerospace manufacturing. We manufacture products like airframe and engine parts. The aerospace industry is in a constant change, and this requires advanced technologies to shorten development. Aerospace manufacturing comprises extensive and complex technical fields. Our goal is to strengthen the development of core technologies and enable wider production collaboration through manufacturing and the supply chain network. The mastery of core technologies and powerful supply chain management are two key pillars and the future trends of our business operations. EGAT chose Dassault Systèmes' 3D Experience platform because it meets international standards and enables digital transformation of engineering consulting services, supports us in choosing the best quotation, provides full traceability management for RFQ, and improves communication with suppliers. EGAT now mainly provides manufacturing services to Boeing and GE. What the leading global aerospace companies value the most and monitor every day is stability and quality, and that is what we always strive for. In the near future, we will optimize how we use the platform and integrate more elements to further benefit from it.